Good morning, fellow patriots, friends throughout the world. This is the housing, the lower housing off of DLE 61 that I posted earlier that you could hear it move, the front bearing. Well, I've replaced the bearing, and you can see with my finger just touching the bearing, you can see it moving in the housing. It's that loose, back and forth, up and down. Anyway, this is the new housing, new front bearing on the engine. The engine is running very good. I did run it with this loose bearing, and I thought I had it tightened up, but on the fourth tank full on the test stand, it loosened right back up. The material came out. Anyway, so I've replaced the bearing in the front housing. The DLE 61. This is one of the it's an older engine. It's probably had a lot of time on it, and anyway, it's been running real good. May I choke it? As you can see, it'll now idle down 1400 RPMs and idles very good. The difference in the vibration in this engine is unbelievable with the new front bearing, tight front bearing, new front bearing, and new lower housing. It's amazing how much tighter the bearings were pressing into the front housing and reinstalling the crankshaft. I'm really amazed. I shouldn't be shocked that they're using sealed bearings in this. There's no front seal other than the seal in the bearings. The rear bearing and the front bearing are both sealed bearings. The lubrication is from the factory. It is not relying at all on the lubrication of the fuel to lubricate the bearings. And DLE 61. Going to go back in the plane here shortly. I'll run a couple of tanks of fuel through it here on the test stand. It's 40 degrees here in the woods this morning, and we got lots of leaves to blow around. The dog's happy chasing leaves, and have a great day, folks. Laus Deo.